Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tecno. In today's video, I'll try to do the Wi-Fi speed test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device using the Airtel Xstream broadband connection. And during this time of demonstration, I'll try to use the application which is a fast application, so which has been recommended by plenty of my users asking me to use only the fast application. So that's what this video is about. And Airtel Xstream broadband connection is about close to 200 Mbps of plan. That is what my speed is about exactly at this point. So right now I connected to the Airtel Xstream broadband plan. Let me just show you exactly what is the transmit link speed. So transmit link speed, you can see here 866 Mbps. So both are having the same kind of transmit link speed only at this point. Let me try to clear everything from the background application. So all the background applications are completely clean in between both phones. So first let me try to open the application in the Realme X1 Max. So this is the Realme X1 Max, as you can clearly see friends. In the Realme X1 Max we are getting the speeds about close to 170 Mbps at this point, as you can see. As I said, my broadband plan is about close to 200 Mbps of speeds. So now we are able to get 170 in this Realme X1 Max. So we did see the kind of close to 200 Mbps in the OnePlus Nord 2 as well before. So just before this test in the beginning, we did see that kind of high speeds in the OnePlus Nord 2. But slightly the speed also will increase a bit kind of more and more, as you can see. So right now the speed was stable around close to Realme X1 Max only. As you can see friends, at this point let me do the test again in the OnePlus Nord device. So in the second time we are getting the speeds about close to 160 Mbps of speeds in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, as you can see exactly. Let's do the test again in the Realme X1 Max. Let's see what the Realme X1 Max can get the speeds. So even the Realme X1 Max was able to get the same kind of speeds, as you can see friends, 130 Mbps of speeds. Let's try to do this test at same time. Let's see what will happen at same time results. So which phone will be having what kind of high speeds. Right now, as you can see, same Wi-Fi connection, both phones are connected, and the different speeds we are getting. As you can see the difference, so quite kind of close to each other only. But once the OnePlus Nord finishes the test, then the Realme X1 Max, the speed increases automatically, as you can see. Let's try to do the second time testing at same time. So let's see what happens at the same time. So this is a demonstration only. I'm trying to use only the fast application. So 75 Mbps and 80 Mbps in the Realme X1 Max versus OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see. So connected to the same Wi-Fi network only friends between both phones. Same Wi-Fi, as you can see here clearly, which is a Airtel Xstream broadband connection. And let's try to do the test again one more time. I think this time the Realme X1 Max took most of the Wi-Fi speeds. That's the reason you are getting about 190 at this point doing at same time. So let's try again, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Again the Realme X1 Max is trying to take most of the Wi-Fi speeds when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2. So let's try to do that again. So both are kind of really good in terms of the picking up high speeds data. I would definitely say that from the Airtel Xstream set-top box. So we are getting about kind of close to 180 we did reach in the Realme X1 Max, and in the OnePlus Nord 2 also we are reaching even that kind of speeds. As you can see, 250 Mbps, 240 in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see clearly, 210, and these are the speeds comparing both phones. As you can see friends, not bad. So this friends is a quick comparison using the fast application between both devices. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, don't forget to check their playlist for each and every smartphones, which will give you the clear idea at all. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.